time here on Twitch, so welcome back, Twitch. And it's for our meteorology segments, as they have some value in a live state. I would note this extremely powerful and very large low pressure system located in the North Atlantic here, sort of off the coast of Cape Cod, but like 1,000 miles off the coast of Cape Cod, is still affecting the weather every place east of the Mississippi. So this is causing a suction, and it's causing higher pressure weather, which is practically everything to move in this direction. And it's also causing all kinds of anomalies in the North Atlantic. These are the surface winds, as reported by nullschool.net. So here is the 250 hectopascal winds that we normally show, and you can see that counterclockwise rotating system translating all the way into the jet stream level flow. It's a very powerful low pressure system. And it's making for some rough seas in the North Atlantic as well. Anyway, here are the jet streams of the eastern world. And here are surface winds. And a very powerful low here down by Antarctica as well, southwest of Australia. Not too far from the South Geomagnetic Pole, actually. And a couple other fairly powerful systems here. Not worrying too much about the Himalayas, but this area here near Kamchatka, some very strong winds at the southern tip of Kamchatka there, as well as off the northwest coast of Australia. 3 different powerful rotating clockwise low pressure systems out there. Next, looking at windy.com, here are the pressure maps of planet Earth. And here's the GFS forecast for where they'll be tomorrow at 12 noon Eastern time. And we're located in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania, right about there. About there, folks. And we've got some heavy rain forecasted, some severe storms here as a result of jet stream, cold air interactions, and so on. Here's the total accumulated precipitation forecast, and we're expecting quite a bit of rain here, especially in the Florida Panhandle. This is through, that is through 1800 Universal Time on Sunday, April 11th. So forecasting for like 6 inches of rain there, 6 or 7 inches of rain there in the Florida Panhandle as of now, according to the GFS forecast. Next, lightningmaps.org. Here's your real-time lightning map. As we continue on with a meteorology segment. Now, we are streaming live to Twitch right now. Thanks to everybody that viewed the video wherever you viewed it. It's lightningmaps.org, by the way. Lightningmaps.org is where I go when I hear thunder. And we've got terrestrial lightning. Shout out to Slidell. Hey, Nolans. There is some serious thunder rolling in Nolans. Check it out. This one happening right by the airport. There's a series of 3 bolts. And if you have a view of this storm from a distance of about 80 kilometers, go take time-lapse imagery of the cloud tops. You may see some things you weren't expecting. Sprites and green elves and green goblins and possibly even Nibiru. Here is the U.S. Doppler radar map, and you can see this entire system rotating here. And it's causing some stagnation and some training to happen as well. Training, by the way, folks, is when a storm tracks in the same direction as the line of storms, where you get the same storm happening. The same areas hit over and over again. So a pretty violent series of weather happening down there, especially in places like Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. Also some strong storms around the Great Lakes region and in the Great Plains. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. And you can see Nibiru moving here in between the GOES and the Earth. Or is it a Borg sphere? Leave us a comment. Let us know. Maybe it's oh, I know. Maybe it's a plane spraying chemtrails in the stratosphere. And here's the water vapor map. This should give you some insight into how this moisture is going to move. We're actually going to zoom in on Louisiana here because it's pretty severe weather down there. So let's just see if we can show folks a little bit additional data. We hope your power is on. And we'll zoom out a little bit. There we go. Great view of those clouds. You've got actually two interacting systems here. You've got a bunch of low clouds over the Gulf of Mexico. Fantastic view of that moisture there. And you can see it's going to be moving a bit to the east. So it's going to have an almost due east trajectory here, and it's all getting a push from that dry mass of air on the left of your screen. Fantastic view of that. You're getting serious pressure gradients happening in that area. And it's all being pulled to the east as a result of that extremely powerful low pressure system off the coast of Cape Cod. It's affecting all of this weather, folks. Believe it or not. And that's where we'll have to end this second Twitch stream of the day.